Hello and welcome to a new video on this channel. I am Szabi, and today I will make a review for a course I found on Udemy, how to make passive income online within 14 days from today. So I stumbled upon this course a while ago and I was thinking about purchasing it. However, it was full of red flags because it offers a huge passive monthly income, $4K monthly, and it requires only 14 days from today to work. So this was a pretty big red flag for me, and I wanted to check it out. So I googled its name, and I found a YouTube channel that already uploaded each video from this course to YouTube. So I was fortunate enough that I found this channel, so I did not purchase this course because it is really bad thing to purchase, so beware of it. This is my recommendation, and I explain now why. So it already has a tons of sales. As you can see, it has 7,800 students enrolled, and I will explain also why this course has so many students enrolled. This is a very well thought course. So this guy who made it was really genius in making this course work like it works right now, because it sells itself and it makes money not for the clients who will buy this course, but for the course author. Okay, so this course uses Clickfunnels affiliate system to drive the promised passive income to its customers. So ClickFunnels has a really good affiliate system, and it is a really good company. So ClickFunnels is not a scam. However, it is a very high priced company. So this is ClickFunnels. I created an account for you just for you to see how highly priced it is. It costs $297 a month. So this is the suit the course author recommends in the course, and you will need this for the course to work. If you buy only the $97 per month ClickFunnels basic, the course will not work for you because you will need also the Actionetics, which is included in the course. And yeah, it is quite expensive. However, this is not the only main reason why the course will take your money away. So let's sum this up. First thing, the course will need $297 per month to work. This is not told here in the description. It says that everything is free. So this is the first red flag I saw after viewing each video from this course that is uploaded on YouTube. So this guy tells at the beginning that the system is free. However, during the course, he says that you must purchase ClickFunnels, but he promises that your money will get back in a while. So how this course works is that it will give you a sales funnel built in ClickFunnels that will sell ClickFunnels affiliate system. So if you drive tons and tons of traffic to this funnel that this course will provide you, you will get affiliate cut from ClickFunnels. This is working. However, there are some subtle deceptions in this entire thing and entire course. Let me show you how the funnel will look. what this course will provide to you. So this is the website of the guy who created the course, and this is the exact thing what the course will provide to you. It will copy and paste to your own website this entire thing, and the only thing that will be changed is if you go submit this form, here you will see this is the page where you go to Clickfunnels and sign up for an account. The course will tell you how to change this link only. Keep in mind that the course has many links in it, and each is an affiliate link. And the guy from the course will tell you to replace only this single link, keeping each and every single link, affiliate link from the rest of the course with his affiliate tracking code. And you will create a copy of this website on your own ClickFunnels account and drive lots of traffic to it. And besides of this single affiliate link, the other affiliate links will remain from the sellers with the seller's affiliate ID. Okay, so let me walk you through step by step this entire process. So this is the first page. This will capture the visitor's attention, and he will enter his email address here and click go to next step. The email address will go to your email list, so the teacher, the mentor will teach you how to change the email list and how to create an own email list. So this is okay. Okay. Also, he will teach you how to change this link um, to point to your own affiliate accounts link. So until here, everything is fine. Each person who comes here will click on this link. They will create affiliate commissions for you. Okay. Now, interesting things will follow if you click the next step. You will see that he will promote his own course here. So everything and each traffic and every traffic that you create is for his course, really. So this is why he has 7,800 sales, because every person who purchases his course and creates this whole system and pays ClickFunnels will promote really his own course here. So people will buy his course and so on. Okay, but this is not the only step where things get interesting for him. Okay, go to next step. And here you will see how to send traffic to this affiliate thing. This is an affiliate thing to, let me click on it, to this site, Traffic for Me. This is a site that sells traffic, and this is an affiliate link, and this is also an affiliate link that the teacher will not show you how to change it. So this remains the teacher's affiliate link, and it will send your visitors that reach this page to the traffic machine, traffic for me, sorry, with the course author's affiliate link. Also, this is a similar site with the traffic for me, Udemy, and this also has the course author's affiliate link. So keep in mind. And also, the course author tells you that you should really make some paid traffic for this whole funnel, because he promises that the money will come back. So let me show you an interesting picture I found online. The Make Money Online Paid Traffic Scam. Beware of programs that self-promoting, done-for-you sales funnels and teach paid marketing. So this is infographic that explains the whole thing, how it will really work. So Jack, this is the creator of this entire secret affiliate machine thing. So he spends $1,000 on ads and he will get 5 customers, each paying $100. So Jack got 500 for membership sales and paid 1,000 on paid ads. And he has a $500 loss. And Jack has an idea. What if I create the same system and give it away to users and offer them high commissions, and remember them that every new peer person that joins with their affiliate link will also benefit from this system. So it will work like this. This person will spend $1,000 on ads, loses the same amount of money like Jack initially loses, quits, and each and every each and every person loses money and quits, but Jack has the whole uh, customer base that will result on each person's ads. So Jack will profit tremendously from this thing. I hope you understand how this functions. So each will create ads, each will lose money because ads are enormously expensive and they are not guaranteed that will generate income back. So Jack will get this huge customer base and each single person will lose money and quit. Or this is not, keep in mind that losing money is not something that must happen. So some of them might also win money, but the vast majority of them will lose money. So yeah, this is the proven system that makes only Jack richer. And also Google ads and Facebook ads who get the money from people directly. Okay, so I hope you understand how this course works and why this has a lot of red flags, and I really don't recommend buying this course because although initially it has a low cost and promises passive income for free, it has really high costs, hidden costs that are shown to you only after you purchase it and only after you jump into it. And yeah, it also sells this Click Magic, which is also an affiliate link for the seller. And during the course in the 5.1, if I remember correctly, yeah, here.
Okay, well,
He will sell you the Click Magic subscription, which is another $90. So I almost forgot to tell you about this. So if you sum things up, you will uh, put into this thing a huge amount of money, and it is not sure that you will get back what you put into it. But it is sure that the author of the course will get lots and lots of sales for his course and lots of affiliate income based on other links from your created websites. And yeah, so keep in mind, stay away from similar passive income promising things that rely on paid traffic, because paid traffic is good only if you know what you are doing. So if you are a newbie and you create your first Google Ads campaign or Facebook Ads campaign, you are surely that you will lose money, because Google Ads and Facebook Ads require much work and much attention, and you must know what you are doing to make them work for real and to make money for you. Okay, so yeah, this is all for now. I hope you will enjoy this video, and it will make you to stay away from this course, because yeah, it is not what it promises. However, the deceptions are subtle and not everybody will get into them. Also, if we check the course ratings, you will see that there are many people that liked the course. They gave 5 stars for the course, but also if you check the 1-star review, you will see that there is no support for the course. People also saw the hidden expenses that this uh, affiliate system requires to work. It is a pyramid scheme and so on. Okay, so I hope you will enjoy this video. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more similar videos, and yeah, keep on searching for passive incomes. And don't forget, the real passive income requires work, and there is no such thing as free passive income and passive income that you get in 14 days. For this kind of income, you have to work and enjoy it afterwards. Yeah. Okay, so until next time, bye bye.